we got a box. That's too big. Let's see here. Loosen the tape up a little. All right. Archer. Been really enjoying this. There. One. There. Cut there. Yes. Yeah. Cut here. Oh. See, just purchased this from Barefoot Bruisers. I was raising some money. This is a Mazur Customs SinEater. Yeah. Big handle. About 3.5-inch blade. Nice flipper. Looks like CPM 3V. Made in April 2018. This is pretty awesome. Just a little maker mark. Pocket clip. Nice. It's got a fuller milled in there. A little modification. Yeah. Cool custom knife. Interesting tanto. And I don't know, I was seeing if this guy makes knives still. Kind of not looking like it. So pretty cool to have one of these around. And we're outside checking it out. Got a nice thick back spacer. Pretty good pocket clip. Works fine. Some jimping on the back. Flipper on the back. Flip it open. Nice sharp blade. Got some aggressive jimping. Fills up the hand pretty good. Got a lot of handle on it. And it shuts and reverse flicks open nicely. And we close it again and thumb flip it open. Yep, that works too. So, SinEater's a awesome looking custom knife. And it shuts really easy, flips open easy. I think it's a good size, very cool looking blade. Full titanium black handle. And whoops, there it goes. All right, back inside. Very cool knife. Let's see. A little over 9 inches overall length. Looks like about a 3.75-inch blade, depending on where you're measuring it. Yeah. Very cool knife. Very happy to have this around now. Mazur SinEater. Very cool. I don't know if he's making knives anymore. It's not looking like it. I don't know too much about this maker, but yeah, super cool. Nice little hollow ground up here. Strong tip. Just an awesome looking Tonto type blade. There it is, the SinEater. Thanks for watching.